I'm in the closet with Miss Stephanie and Mr. SJ. And my closet is a hot mess. Look at this jewelry. And we have all that jewelry out there. We're going to organize that rack. I'm gonna actually move that into a guest bedroom. And we're gonna get rid of all this and put it all throughout the rack over there. And then I have this drawer, which is also full of jewelry. So we're gonna organize this too. So stay tuned. Bye. Got it all organized on here. So we've got short necklaces. Then we've got some long silver. More long silver, more long silver. Gold and brass. And then the rose gold and copper wood. And seed beads. And beads. And some navy, but I still have all this to go. Sorry, the bed isn't made. I actually took the sheets off because we had a guest and I'm washing the sheets, and I was like, okay, perfect. I'll do the jewelry here. So I still have all this. Plus there's more downstairs, but this is most of it. And this box has jewelry, so yeah. I'm thinking I don't have enough holder container things for it all, but we'll see. Still kind of trying to figure out the system. I'll probably try to get it all mostly on wardrobes and things like these and bins and stuff, because then I can easily take it out. So if I do have a guest who needs to use a closet, I can easily take this stuff out and go put it in my bling room. So more to come. Stay tuned.